Renowned tech insider Ice Universe recently disclosed on Twitter the precise screen size of Samsung's highly anticipated flagship, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, measuring at 6.79 inches. Simultaneously, another reputable source, Anthony, shared on Twitter that the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to feature a 6.86-inch display, potentially surpassing Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra and becoming the largest iPhone model to date. This revelation is fascinating, as the Galaxy S24 Ultra is projected to have a 6.8-inch screen, slightly smaller than the rumored 6.86-inch display for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This positions Apple's upcoming flagship as potentially the largest iPhone ever, likely garnering significant interest among users. We're eager to hear your thoughts on this revelation in the comments. Regarding display specifications, leaks suggest that Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a 144Hz adaptive refresh rate, while the iPhone 16 Pro Max is rumored to feature a 120Hz refresh rate. This distinction implies that the Galaxy S24 Ultra could deliver smoother animations and scrolling due to its superior refresh rate. However, it's important to note that display quality encompasses more than just screen size, including resolution and color accuracy. The overall display quality comparison between the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra is intriguing. While the iPhone might sport a larger screen size, Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra's higher refresh rate could offer a more seamless user experience. In conclusion, while Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra might have a slightly smaller screen size compared to the iPhone 16 Pro Max, it's essential to consider that display quality extends beyond mere dimensions. Both devices are anticipated to deliver exceptional displays, with Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra potentially excelling in smoother functionality due to its higher refresh rate. Share your preferences on screen sizes and thoughts on these devices in the comments below. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to subscribe. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.